Use ru ala, use rubrics, first bullet participation, projects, outputs, and assignments para maghapon sa imra. Dihi lang gyapon magbase sa upat kung mag-rubrics. Ano siya. Next, sir. Gamay naman ako ang PPT, sir. Promotion policy as a student is retained if she failed 3 or more subjects, cannot pass them during summer classes. Ay, lagi. A student is retained if she failed 3 or more subjects, maaintin siya katulong iyan ang balikon. So, cannot pass them during summer classes. Sabi ito, so, sabi, mga na siya, sir, ay. Student is retained if she. Waka rin. Mute ka, sir.
Next na.
Ah, importance of the system, promotes fairness, encourages effort and improvements, develops real life skills, and builds responsibility in students. Sa kanila sa promotes fairness, kanang mag-use yun ka o kanang tawag na kanang kung mo gibuhat na mo gahapon sa Sabado nga maghibog rubric. Sana nawala. Nara. Tapos, encourage na to sila nga to improve their learnings and improvements. So, develop real life skills. Ikaw na to ang real life skills kanang i-relate na to. Charot. Mara to, sir. Next, sir, palihog. So, the conclusion is the Philippine grading system is performance-based, use per standards and rubrics, encourages holistic learning. Or lang. Next, sir. Charot. And thank you so much. Mura lang, sir, yung 11 ka buok. Wala pa ko quiz.
Sir, pwede ako sunod, sir?
Okay. Haman imong kuan presentation.
Nag-send ko sa GC, sir.
Okay, wait lang sa i-download.
Ano pa to man?
Tara mo drag lingkod ha.
Pero dili magliho, kay naka sa center.
Charot.
Dali ra kalabayag chok.
Whiteboard ba? Di ba kailangan chalk?
Ay, eraser na lang sa whiteboard.
Ipakita ko na inyong naong. Uy, kay para makuan mo dra sa inyong mga lingkuran. Mm.
Oy!
Start pod no, doon na pod kay imong naong day.
Oh, wala na. Mute pa dyan.
Asa naman uban estudyante kay ato ning absent na di magpakita. Draw asa ta mag call center.
Say, draw.
Ay,
Yes, ma'am.
Andre, pila naman atong nakuan.
Nakota.
Nakota.
Dako-dako na siya, ma'am. Hoy!
Kada ko.
Very good.
Pero,
Kini si Troy Kia, Troy yung agyan eh, wala ba gitarong ang report.
so, gamay naman.
Na-attitude ko yung questions because wala ko kasabot.
Okay,
Ay na,
hilom na
oy.
draw. So, everyone, magsugod na ta. Ready na ba ang all?
Ready
Oh.
na, ma'am.
Mayo, sige, pag-ready lang. So, communicating assessment result, some pointers, and communicating assessment result. So, proceed ra, sir, sa next slide, please. Ana, thank you.
Hmm?
Introduction. Assessment is an essential part of the teaching and learning process. It progress, understanding, and performance. Pero, bisan pag-ingana mo effect lang ang assessment kung ang result is klaro or clear og nagkasinabtanay ba ang intended audience like students, parents, o other mga stakeholders. Excuse me. So, proper communication ensure that assessment results are understood, meaningful, and useful for improvement. Next slide po. So, second is why communicate assessment result. So, communicating assessment result is important for several reasons. So, muna siya ang promote student growth, provide feedback for improvement, ensure transparency, support decision making, and encouraging parental involved. So, ang promote student growth is when student understand their performance. So, they can maka-identify sila kung asa sila anang weak, asa sila kusog, o kanang example kanang maka-identify sila kung asa ilang strength and areas nga ila pang i-improve. Nya, this encourage self-reflection and motivates them to do better. Second is provide feedback for improvement. Assessment results serve as feedback that guide both student and teacher. Teacher can adjust their teaching strategy while student can improve their learning approach. So mao ni siya kining improvement is diri ra po kanang ang teacher kumbaga ang mag-adjust kung asa ra taman ang learning sa bata kay para dali ra ma-deliver ni teacher kung asa ra pod ang kung asa ra pud taman ang learning sa bata, mao ang teacher ang mag-adjust. So ang ensure transparency, so dapat clear communication, mag-build tag trust between teacher and students, also sa parents. So it shows fairness, accountability in evaluating student performance. So number 4 is support decision making. So school and educators use assessment data to make informed decision about instruction, curriculum, and inventions. And last is encourages parental involvement. So sharing results with parents allow them to support their child learning at home and stay engaged in their education. Next slide, sir. Pointers in communicating assessment results. So, effective communications of assessment results should be followed these key points. Dapat siya be clear and simple. Gamit ang mga easy language kay para dali ra pud siya masabtan. I-avoid ato mga technical terms or explain them clearly so that student and parents can grasp the meaning. Dili na nato na kanang atong istorya is dapat mga simple word lang kay para kung hatagan man yun nato og kanang mga laom nga mga inistoryahan or laom nga pagka-deliver bitaw sa students and teacher, malangan pa kay magkas pa og time kay mas more pa mo pud imong explanation. So dapat simple language lang atong gamiton. So be timely. So provide feedback as soon as possible after the assessment. Timely communication ensure that the information is still relevant and useful. Number 3 is be specific and constructive. Give detailed feedback rather than general comments. So highlights what the student did well and what needs improvement, along with suggestion for improvement. Number 4 is use multiple communication method. So, dire na ta magamit og kuan kanang report card, dire ta magpakuan og meeting, mga conference with teacher and parents, tapos written feedback, then digital platform for our learning management system. And the six, ay, five pa day. 5, maintain confidentiality. So, respect student privacy by ensuring the results are shared only with authorized individual. So, mama ni atong ginakuan ba yan? Nabi ni sa sa office nga dapat dili i-share ang atong mga privacy. Mama ni siya maintain. Then number 6 is focus on growth, not just score. So emphasize progress and learning rather than just grades. Encourage a growth mindset by recognizing effort and improvement. So dapat jud dili na ta mag-focus anang score nga dako imo gamay ako. Ana kay actually dili man jud diha ma-measure jud ang imong kuan. Ang kung gusto gyud ka nga mas mo-grow pa ka, then mag-focus ka sa imong goal. Mao ra gyud na siya, dili gyud basihan ang dagko nga score. Then 7 is encourage dialogue. So allow student and parents to ask question and discuss the result. Communication should be two-way, not just one-sided. Then number 8 last is be objective and fair. So ensure that the results presented are accurate and biased and based on clear criteria. Okay, sir. Ako na to gi-indicate ang ano, sir. Gibutan na pud nako ang question dira. Next. Tapos sa conclusion na lang na. Basahan ko na. Okay, conclusion. Communicating assessment result is a vital part of educational process. It's not only inform that student about their performance, but also guides. So, improvement and strength, collaboration among teacher and students and parents. By using clear, timely, and constructive communication strategies, educator can make assessment results more meaningful and impactful for all stakeholders. So, Mara to sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Sunod.
Pwede ra sir nga gisumpay na po na akong question dito
Question sa unsa? Kani?
Sa kini akong report ako nang gisumpay.
Di ba magpa-quiz dapat karon ang first koan chapter?
Ay,
Ay,
oh.
press presenter.
Tuntulo. Naman to sila.
Asa
Nana ba?
naman si
Charot.
Ona?
Naliod to sa daw sir oy.
Early ba?
Di ba ilang answer ilang quiz kay murag sa Google
Google Forms
Forms.
para matake ra online.
So kanang ako sir, buta man ako sa Google Form.
Sa imong kauban nimo sa chapter, ibutang ninyo.
Iisa.
Mm.
Okay sir.
Sige, anyway.